Hello everyone, Liam here, and today I want to talk to you about this brand new product I got off Amazon the other day. As you can see, we have a very nice desktop setup we have going on right here. But, as you can also see, looks like we have a desk lamp from the 1950s. So, I don't like that. We got this new, modern looking one. So, let's open up the box and see what's inside. So, inside the box you'll see all these items that we have here. Going over that, we have the mounting bracket, we have the actual light itself, an instructions manual, a USB-C to USB 2 type cord, and then we have some contact information from the seller itself. I'm going to now put this on top of my monitor and see what it looks like and go over all the features with you. So now that we have the lighting all set up, you can see this hardly takes up any sort of room. It just sits right on top of the monitor there. And by comparison, we can take a look at our light here on the right. Look how big and cumbersome this is. So I have this giant table desk light, and this is just too big for our needs. So having a light that sits on the top of this monitor, it's going to save a lot of space. Not only that, so because of the way it's designed, we have lights that are pointing pretty much directly down, which is going to reduce the amount of glare. If I turn this bad boy on, there's a lot of glare here on the top of the screen, which is not great. Also, I don't have any options when it comes to this desk lamp. I have on and off. But if we look at our monitor light, we have a bunch of different options to go through here. So this actually utilizes some touch features designed on the button on the right and the left. So the right controls your front-facing lights. So by pressing it twice, it will turn it off. I can turn it on just by pressing it once. Pressing it short once changes the color temperature of the light in the front. So you got some orange there. You have like a white and then a cool. And then when you do a double press, turn it off. A long press, you do the dimming feature. So when you do a long press, you have different brightnesses, and there's 10 different levels of brightness. Again, that's only just for the front lights. This also has a series of backlights too, which I can just turn on there. And if you can see this wall, my shadow is lit up. Again, with the same features, I can change the color temperature. I just turned it off right then. So change the temperature. There's like a blue. There's more orange. And having that orange light is going to help with eye fatigue, because they always say if you have too much blue light, especially you deal with blue light from your monitor, but if you have blue light from an external light source, that's going to cause eye strain and fatigue, which is not great. So in conclusion, this is a fantastic product. Just with the amount of foot space this takes, which is virtually nothing, and compared to this old raggedy thing, I'm tossing that in the trash. And this, I'm going to hang on to, because this is a great product. Really, it can do anything that this can do and more. So if you're a fan of not straining your eyes, having a multitude of features for your desk lamp, and just an overall good quality product, why not check out this monitor lamp from OOWOLF? It just might do the trick.